In this section, we're going to talk about 3 different sets of triple candlestick patterns. We're going to start off with the morning star and evening star. The morning star and the evening star are triple candlestick patterns and are usually found at the end of a trend. They are reversal patterns that can be recognized through 3 characteristics. So let's use the evening star example on the right here and talk about that. This is what you should see to identify an evening star pattern. The first candlestick is a bullish candle, which is part of a recent uptrend. So you can see the market is trending up, and you can see the first candle in that oval is also going up. The second candle has a small body, and this indicates that there could be some indecision in the market. This candle can be either bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. The third candlestick acts as a confirmation that a reversal is in place, and what we look for is we look for the candle closing beyond the midpoint of the first candle. So in this image of evening star, you can see we have the first candle moving with the trend going up, the second candle closing with a small body, indicating that there's some indecision in the market, and the third candle reversing and now coming down, and it closes past the midpoint of that first candle. Then for morning star, you can see it's just the complete opposite of evening star, and you would look for it at the bottom of a downtrend. So you can see the first candle is going with the trend. It's a bearish candle also moving down. The second candle closes with a small body, indicating indecision. And then the third candle goes in the opposite direction, starts to go up, and closes past the midway point of that first candle. The second set of triple candlestick patterns are called the 3 white soldiers and the 3 black crows. The 3 white soldiers pattern is formed when 3 long bullish candles, or candles moving up, as you can see on this image on the left, follow a downtrend or a short period of consolidation during a downtrend. And this signals a reversal has occurred, just like you can see in this image. The first of the 3 soldiers is called the reversal candle. It either ends the downtrend or implies that the period of consolidation that followed the downtrend is over. For the pattern to be considered valid, the second candlestick should be bigger than the previous candle's body. And you can see here on the image under 3 white soldiers that the second candlestick has a bigger body than the first candlestick in that red oval. Also, the second candlestick should close near its high, so you shouldn't see a big wick at the top of it either. Then for the 3 white soldiers pattern to be completed, the last candlestick should be at least the same size as the second candlestick and have a small or no shadow as well. And then the 3 black crows candlestick pattern is just the opposite of the 3 white soldiers, as you can see here. But it's going to be formed when 3 bearish candles, or candles moving down, follow a strong uptrend or a short period of consolidation after an uptrend, indicating that a reversal is in the works. The last set of triple candlestick patterns that we're going to talk about are called the 3 inside up and the 3 inside down. The 3 inside up candlestick formation is a trend reversal pattern that's found at the bottom of a downtrend and indicates a possible new uptrend has started. So this is what you should look for when you're trying to identify it. The first candle should be found at the bottom of a downtrend and is characterized by a long bearish candlestick. So you can see in the red oval that we have a downtrend with these black candles, and then the first one of this 3 inside up triple candlestick pattern is also a bearish candle or a candle moving down. And like I said, it should be a long bearish candlestick. The second candle should make it at least up to the halfway point or the midpoint of the first candle. So you can see here, for example, the second candlestick does indeed reach past that midpoint of that first bearish candle. Then the third candlestick in the series needs to close above the first candle's high to confirm that buyers have overpowered the strength of the downtrend. And you can see here that the third candlestick does indeed close above that first candlestick's high, so we have a confirmation here of a 3 inside up pattern. Then you can see it's the complete opposite for a 3 inside down pattern. And of course, a 3 inside down pattern is going to be found at the top of an uptrend, indicating a possible new downtrend has started. So this is what you would look for. You look for the first candle to be found at the top of an uptrend, and it's going to be characterized by a long bullish candlestick, or a long candle that is moving upwards, right? The second candle should make it all the way down to the midpoint of the first candle. And you can see here, we have a candle that comes back down to about the midpoint of the first candle. And then the third candlestick needs to close below the first candlestick's low to confirm that sellers have overpowered the strength of the uptrend. And you can see here that the third candle does indeed close lower than the first candle. So we have a confirmation of a 3 inside down triple candlestick pattern and a reversal of the uptrend. So as you can see, all of these candlestick patterns are really powerful. They can give you an additional confirmation at the bottom of a downtrend or the top of an uptrend that a reversal is about to occur. So if these patterns made sense to you, go ahead and move on to the next section. If not, go ahead and just rewatch this section until they start to make sense to you. Of course, you don't need to memorize these patterns. In fact, we're going to give you a cheat sheet so that you can identify these patterns and have something to look at as you're looking in the market at the top of these uptrends or bottom of these downtrends, looking for these reversals. You'll have this sheet that you can look at to help identify these different patterns of Japanese candlesticks and hopefully get into some good trades at these reversals of these trends. So go ahead and continue on to the next section if you're ready, and I'll see you there.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.